Welcome to an introduction to DeltaTek's ArticuLock technology, a unique tool extending weather windows for all riserless or open water operations by eliminating bending stress in traditional landing strings. Lifting of the lock sleeve is done manually or by ROV, which will activate the tool, giving up to 30 degrees of maximum articulation. The ArticuLock tool can transfer torque and has full bore ID for pump through with hydraulic pressure retaining capabilities. ArticuLock, boxed and ready to save you rig time.